What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Breeze Heat. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. But this week, we're going to be getting into our teriyaki salmon, and this has a pineapple salsa on top of a bed of jasmine rice. All right, you already know we start with the ingredients. I have diced orange bell pepper, red bell pepper, onion, cilantro, salt, pepper, garlic powder, pineapple halves, as well as salmon. All right, and if you're one of those people that needs like a list of ingredients, you can go ahead and screenshot this right now. All right, and let's get into making our salsa. You basically just take all of your vegetables, you mix them all up together, add in the pineapple, and as far as like acidity, I didn't do too much lime just because pineapples do have like a very strong scent. So you add that in, add in some of your seasoning, and then you go ahead and mix it all up. You don't need too much seasoning on this. Next, you're going to start by seasoning your salmon. It's a good idea to go ahead and pat that dry so all of the seasonings basically stick to the salmon when you're cooking them. And like I said, inside of here I have salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder. I'm just going to pour it on the tops and like get that seasoning rubbed onto there very nicely. You want to season very generously as well. Then you go ahead and heat your pan up with some olive oil. I'm going to be cooking this salmon on a medium to high heat, but basically once that olive oil has done heating up inside of that pan, I'm going to go ahead and put the salmon in. If you can see, the salmon is basically shrinking. If you don't want it to do that, you can just cut slits in the top of the salmon. So you're going to go ahead and let that cook on each side. Depending on how thick your salmon is, probably like 4 minutes to each side. And I'm not really sure why my camera cut out, but it didn't let me show y'all me flipping it. So I'm going to just show y'all what the result looked like. And now that is the quickest recipe I've probably ever given y'all. It's time to plate rice inside of the pineapple, salmon on top, teriyaki sauce. I made this teriyaki sauce myself. I'll go ahead and drop that in the description below just so you guys can have that as well if you want to do that. If not, you can definitely go to Walmart and get you a teriyaki sauce. That's only $4. But next, as far as plating, you're going to go ahead and put those veggies on top. That's going to be your salsa. So what you want to do is put as much as you want on there. I'm doing this for presentation, so it might look like a lot to y'all. If not, I like it, so it's real good. But there you go. You have it. It's a really quick, simple, very easy recipe that you can try at home at any time. But yeah, that's a good look at what it all looks like, the finished product. And if you guys haven't already, hit that like button, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Follow me on Instagram at Breeze Heat if you want to see more videos. Keep on watching. Thank you.